Hi, first grade families. This is just a weekly update. I have made contact with most of you this week. If I call, please call me back if you don't answer the first time. I do need to hear your voices each week to know that things are going okay. Just some things to remember. It's good for everyone to hear. Take things one day at a time. Do what works for your family. There may be a different routine that you have. In these situations of crisis, we're not trying to recreate the classroom situation, but do what works for your family. And if you have questions, please reach out to teachers and the school for assistance, whether it's with work or technology or food or anything that you and your family may need during this time. With academics, students should be working no more than 2 hours on schoolwork. Like I said, we're not trying to recreate the classroom. We're just trying to create a sense of routine and normalcy for the kids during the day. Kids should not be working solidly on work, no more than 20 minutes at a time. Allow them to take breaks, whether it's with technology and Go Noodle and dancing, or playing with their toys, playing outside, reading a book, taking a nap. Allow their brains to have that time to rest. If the material is difficult, please reach out to me, reach out to other teachers for assistance. And if you do nothing else during this time, please continue to read with your children and then talk about what you read in the story afterwards. That's going to go leaps and bounds. The idea of having a conversation and talking about a story and speaking in complete sentences, it really does make a difference. In terms of submitting work, a lot of our students have chosen to submit work on Clever through Seesaw. They've also texted me pictures and videos of their work. The easiest way, though, is getting on that digital content. So doing work on Seesaw, Imagine Learning, Dreambox, Mayan, going to Zearn.org. Students enjoy these times. I realize that, it is screen time, but, when we're limiting that to no more than 2 hours each day of work in its entirety, it's not too bad. And then we have the packets that I had dropped off. Feel free to bring those packets to school. Or take photos. If you wanted to drop the packets off at school Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 10 to 12, there is somebody there. And I should be dropping more work off at the beginning of May. So if you want to hold on to your packets then and turn them in to me then, that would be okay as well. Why? Why am I bugging you? I care about your children. I want to see them be successful. This break from school, no one is entirely sure the impact that it's going to have on everyone's future. So I want to do my part and ensure that your child has a solid academic foundation. We can do this together. It might be challenging, more challenging than it has been. But before we left school, not all of our students were performing on grade level, which, is concerning. And it has become more challenging to build that foundation since we've been away. So I need your help, and your child needs your help. But above all, remember, take it one day at a time. Do what works for your family. And reach out to us teachers and the school for assistance. We'll be in touch. Thanks, families.